everyone, and welcome back to our show, the show which talks about women and their achievements in different fields. So, today we have a very talented woman on our show. She is multi talented, but she was a very simple woman and now she's a beauty queen. So, let's welcome Palak Ravishya.
Thank you.
Hi, Palak, how are you?
I'm good. Really.
Palak, I can see so many sash and I think there are some crowns also. So this shows your achievement. Are you a pageant lover?
Actually, I was not a pageant lover, but yes, now this pageant has given me a life beyond my imagination, and I think I'm in love with it. Yeah.
Yeah, because the love is being shown that so many things at one place. So how did you start? Because what I came to know about you, that you are 9 to 5, were very focused on your job and very focused on one place, but suddenly you twisted to the pageant and then you have gone to the international. So how it happened all in your life?
This journey was really interesting because I'm a corporate person and glamour field and fashion field, I was zero to it, I'll frankly tell you. But when I got a platform, IVA run by Daljit Kaur, she just told that why don't you join this platform and showcase your skill and talent where this organization is working with a cause. It is working with a cause for a society, and there are different causes that has been carried out by that organization. At first stance, I just felt like no, I can't do that because fashion and me are never connected or like any way. मैं वो सारी चीजें मुझसे हो ही नहीं पाएगी. पर फिर मुझे लगा कि ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. मैं बरसों से ऐसा सोच रही थी शादी से पहले कि एक रैंप पे वॉक करूंगी, मुझे क्राउन मिलेगा. यू नो, अ ड्रीम ऑफ लाइक यू फील लाइक एवरी वुमन हैज दैट ड्रीम. तो फिर उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ट्राई, गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड सी इफ यू कैन, लाइक यू नो, यू रियली फील दैट. वो जो डिसीजन लिया ना मैंने, उसके बाद खुद की वैल्यू फील की.
करेक्ट.
When I looked at him in the mirror, like तू क्या थी शादी से पहले और बच्चे के बाद, like what are you and have you ever thought of only yourself, like you know, focusing only on yourself. That was like you know, very decision that gave me a drastic change in my life.
So that means the pageants changed you towards glamour.
Yeah. 100%.
So we also saw you that you do lots of socials, we tied up with lots of NGOs. So what is the motive behind that?
Motive behind that, in Gujarati there is a phrase that is called ki dan dharam, whatever you are earning, give 10% of your salary to all the noble cause. Like if it's for you are doing anything.
I think that's with everybody, not with Gujarati.
No, like it's a phrase that my father used to say. So when we started, it was like my father used to say, on your birthday, when you're spending lot of money, why don't you start spending 10% of your that expense and go to old age home or like mentally challenged or disabled or whatever that orphanage is. Go there, devote some time and see how you feel. So that way we started. But then it got a habit in my life, and now I'm associated with 5 NGOs. One is a Desire organization that is taking care of HIV infected kids. One is Apnalaya, where I have adopted 30 kids for their health and their malnutrition and to get them to the healthy way.
So that means now you are working more for the underprivileged and working more for the society, where you want to spend some time of yours to uplift them.
Yes, sure.
So what is your motive in future to be, Palak?
Well, I love beauty industry, like you know, fashion industry very much. So not looking up to in as a career or something, but yes, I wanted to be a successful corporate trainer and motivational speaker. Though I have got certification in that. Apart from this, I'm going to continue my social activities, and if time allows and it permits, everything situation permits me, I will go on the large scale basis for that.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So what do you want to tell the generation of today? Should they participate in the pageants, or what exactly is your views?
Well, if a girl or a lady like me can achieve this thing in a short span of 2.5 years, people over there, I really wanted to say, just have a confidence in yourself. Like you know, just break the glass ceiling of the thoughts or that hurdles होते हैं लाइफ में,
Correct.
just break that glass ceiling. See what your heart desires, what is your deepest desire that you have not yet achieved in your life. Go and speak out, like with your family, friends or husband, and just tell them that you want to achieve your dream. That is the very basic thing that any person need to do that. उसके बाद तो बहुत कुछ है कि आप कोई भी रास्ता लेके आप जा सकते हो, बट वो करेज अपने सपने को
Lana, courage is the main thing.
main thing.
Well, after doing a job and taking care of your career, then your pageants and your social activity, how do you maintain yourself?
It's really difficult, ma'am, and especially in Mumbai when you are working 9 to 5 and when you are following your passion also. I would just short it up in like thing. I get up every morning 5:30. I do 1 hour exercise, and if time doesn't permit in morning, I do the things at night after 10 or 10:30 when my daughters go to sleep.
So that means the inspiration which we got from Palak, that when a person wants to do anything, they can do it. It's only the matter of your own confidence. It is only the matter of building up your brain that yes, I can do it. So one last question: what is your mantra of life?
My mantra of life is I just feel competition is not everything, but yes, to be into a competition or something, you need to achieve all that levels in life. So I just believe be happy, stay happy, and let other be happy.
It was wonderful meeting you, Palak.
Thank you.
So stay tuned, and we have more and more beautiful, enterprising achievers on our show. Keep watching us. Bye bye.
Yeah.